Tired of endlessly scrolling through streaming apps, struggling to find something to watch? Google TV might just be your entertainment savior. In this video, we'll break down what Google TV is and how it works, all in under 90 seconds. Google TV is essentially a smart TV operating system built on top of Android TV. Think of it as a refined and smarter Android TV. The biggest difference is its focus on content aggregation. Instead of just showing you apps, it pulls together movies and shows from all your streaming services into one unified interface. The For You tab is your personalized entertainment hub. Google TV learns what you like and suggests content from all your connected streaming services, saving you the hassle of checking each app individually. It uses sophisticated algorithms to curate recommendations, so the more you watch, the better it gets. Google TV supports most major streaming services. When you set it up, you'll link your accounts, and Google TV will then index their libraries. This allows it to search across all platforms and offer unified search results. Speaking of search, finding something to watch is super easy. Just use the Google Assistant button on your remote or type in the title. Google TV will show you all the places where that movie or show is available, along with pricing options. And that Google Assistant integration is powerful. You can use voice commands to search for content, control your TV, and even manage your smart home devices. Finally, the Library tab is where you can find all the movies and shows you've purchased or rented through Google. It's a central location for your digital media collection. So, that's Google TV in a nutshell. A smarter, more streamlined way to experience streaming entertainment. Enjoy smarter streaming.